Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Valor Reviews. Now in this video I'll be unboxing the all-new Samsung A30s and I'm going to give you my initial impressions of this device, so stay tuned. In the box you have a quick start guide manual, a warranty card, and the phone itself. It says here that it has an Infinity V display, triple camera, and a on-screen fingerprint scanner, which is nice. As you can see, this phone is beautiful in this prism crushed velvet color. Who named these things? SMH. You also get a charging brick. It's a 15 watts charging brick. Take note. You get a USB-C cable. Take note. I was saying take notes and not techno. What's wrong with you guys? You get a earpiece, which is nyeh. And that's about it in the box. Now check this out. This is an unboxing video of the same phone from another YouTuber. Clearly you can see that this phone comes with a TPU case and mine doesn't. Ninja sha. This is almost like buying a brand new car and the manufacturer removes the spare tire while in other countries they leave it in. Why? Mind you, this box was sealed and I bought it brand new from Pointech. Now moving to the design of this phone shines. The prism crushed velvet color is just eye-popping. On the left, you have the memory card slot and the dual SIM tray. You can fit in a 512GB card in this phone if you want to expand your storage. On the right, you have the power button and the volume keys. The keys are well spaced out as you can see, so you won't be pressing the volume keys instead of the power button by accident. On the top, you have the noise cancelling mic, and on the bottom, you have the earphone jack, a USB-C port, a mic, and a mono speaker. In the front of the device, you have the 6.4-inch AMOLED display and the Infinity V notch that houses the 16-megapixel front camera. The screen of this device is, oh my god, the screen is popping. Samsung truly makes the best display out there, period. It's a 720p display with a resolution of 720 by 1560 pixels. It has 268 pixels per inch and man is it vibrant. It also has small bezels as you can see. It has 85% screen to body ratio. I'll be talking more on the display in my full review, so subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that video. Performance wise, the A30s is rocking an Exynos 7904 chip. It's a 14nm chip and it's fast. It has a Mali G71 MP2 GPU. It has an octa-core CPU. Man, this is a solid mid-range device. 3D games run smooth on this device and I'll be sharing more on the performance in my full review. As for the user interface, the A30s is running on Android 9 with Samsung One UI. Now moving to the camera department, the front-facing camera has a 16-megapixel sensor and at the rear it has a triple camera setup. It has a 25-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The camera has different modes. It has food mode for all the FFOs out there. It has the panorama mode, it has the pro mode, live focus mode and the slow motion mode. It even has this scene optimizer. I'll be testing out all these modes and I'll give you my verdict in my full review. Now moving to the battery department, the Samsung A30s is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. It comes with a 15 watts fast charger, so charging this device will be fast. I'll be sharing my full experience with charging and using this device, so subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this unboxing and initial impressions of the Samsung A30s. I'll be releasing the full review soon as well as with a gaming test, a camera test, and also I'll be comparing the Samsung A30s with the Xiaomi Mi A3. So subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of those videos. As always, thank you for watching and sticking around and I'll see you guys soon. Valor, signing out.